This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build Voyager in reverse 1999. Voyager is a fantastic damage dealer, and understanding her core mechanics is key to unlocking her full potential. We will cover everything from her best psycubes to optimal resonance setups and team synergies. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap to make your Voyager a formidable force on the battlefield, consistently delivering high damage numbers. Choosing the right psycube is crucial for Voyager. Brave New World is often considered her best in slot, especially for boosting her powerful ultimate skill. Another strong contender is her Bright Future, which provides a fantastic balance of critical rate and critical damage. For a more straightforward attack increase, Thunderous Applause is an excellent choice. Always aim to upgrade your chosen psycube to level 60 for its full benefits. Resonance is where you fine-tune Voyager's stats. Prioritize critical rate, critical damage, and attack percentage to maximize her offensive output. Aim to reach Resonance level 10 for the most significant stat boosts. Voyager possesses the Star Afflatus, giving her a 20% damage bonus against plant-type enemies and reducing damage taken by 20% from them. Strategically use this advantage in battles. When it comes to skills, focus on leveling up Voyager's ultimate first for massive burst damage. Her incantation skills should also be enhanced to ensure consistent damage throughout the fight. For team composition, pair Voyager with strong support characters who can provide buffs, debuffs, or healing. Characters that reduce enemy defenses, like those with mental defense down, will further amplify Voyager's damage, making her an unstoppable force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.